Ever stop to ponder the importance of a septic system in a lakefront home? It's not exactly the most glamorous part of homeownership, but it's a critical component that can't be overlooked. Septic systems are the unsung heroes of rural and lakefront properties tackling the unseen but vital task of waste management. They function as mini sewage treatment facilities right on your property. Overlooking the septic system during the home buying process can lead to unpleasant surprises down the line. Think sewage backups, foul smells, and a hefty repair bill. Now, how does one go about inspecting a septic system? Well, it's a process that requires a keen eye and some know-how. First things first, identify the location of the septic tank and drain field. This can be done by requesting a plot plan from the local health department. Next, arrange for a septic system inspection by a professional. This isn't a task for the average homeowner. A professional will open the tank, check the water level, and inspect for signs of backup. The third step involves the inspector flushing the toilets and running water from all the faucets in the house to check for any signs of slow drainage or backup. Following this, the inspector will measure the sludge and scum layers in the septic tank using a sludge judge or a similar tool. This helps determine if the tank needs pumping. Finally, the drain field is inspected. The inspector will look for signs of system failure such as lush grass, foul odors, or standing water. Remember, a well-maintained septic system can last for decades, but a neglected one can fail within a few years, leading to costly repairs and potential environmental damage. So, let's circle back to the importance of septic systems. They are vital for managing waste in rural and lakefront homes where municipal sewage systems aren't available. They prevent the contamination of groundwater and nearby bodies of water, preserving the environment and your health. To inspect them, you need to identify the location of the septic system, arrange for a professional inspection, check for signs of backup, measure the sludge and scum layers in the tank, and inspect the drain field for signs of failure. In the grand scheme of home ownership, septic systems might not be the most exciting topic, but when it comes to lakefront homes, they're an essential part of the puzzle. A properly functioning septic system ensures a smooth, worry-free living experience, while a neglected one can turn your dream home into a nightmare. So, when buying a lakefront home, give septic systems the attention they deserve.